go over the fraction one because fraction one is kind of intimidating, but it's not that bad. Plus 1 over third y equal to 2. 1/5 x minus 2 over third y equal to 8. If you were quick about what you're doing, you should realize that I will not do substitution. I I don't know. I could be doing substitution, but it's gonna be a lot of fraction. So I probably choose to do elimination, and I'll multiply this by 2. So that's gonna give you x plus 2 over third y is equal to 4. Is that okay? Now I can add this to equation. That's gonna be 6 over 5x equal to 12. Because x plus 1/5 x, right? And can I get rid of fraction on both sides? Multiply by 5 on both sides? And the x equal to 10. See, it's very nice. Easy solutions. And is that easier than deal with auto fractions? Yeah. So you can get rid of things. It's system equation. Elimination is the best route for you to do anything. And then you can plug in the solve for y. I'm gonna plug in here. I'm gonna plug in here, so it'll be 10 plus 2 over third y equal to 4. So 2 over third y is equal to -6. Multiply by 3 is gonna be -18, and y is equal to -9. Jesus, I had to get out. Okay, other questions? Yes, Winston.
2D.
2 what?
D.
D? I never done this question before, but okay, so x squared y is equal to 16. X squared plus 4y plus 16 equal to 0. Okay, let's try two different ways. Um, First of all, I solve for y, and let's see how far I'm gonna go. Plus 4. What happened? Y is gonna be, I replace that y with 16 over x squared plus 16 equal to 0. So this is gonna be x squared plus 64. Don't copy down anything yet. I don't know if I'm approaching the right way. I'm gonna multiply everything by x squared. Does that make sense? I get rid of fraction. And this one is x squared plus 8 squared. Yeah. I square root both sides, so x squared plus 8x equal to -8, x equal to root over -8. That means no solutions in terms of x. So I'm gonna make sure here by going, this is no solution for x. So we can go into graph it. Let me graph it on the things to make sure it's right. X squared y equal to 16. It looks like that. X squared plus 4y plus 16 equal to 0. Yeah, so they don't have no intersections. So yeah, nothing can be resolved. Next question. Yes.
Can you do 2B?
2b.
Yeah.
Let me see. I thought I thought 2b. 2b. Did anybody get an answer? So x squared minus y squared equal to 1. 2x squared minus y squared equal to x plus 3. What do I want to do? I want to make sure this y squared is changed, so it'll be x squared equal to y squared plus 1. Wait, hold on a second. I want a y squared change. Why do I do that? I'll move 1 over, so it'll be x squared equal x squared minus 1 equal to y squared. Is that okay? So it'll be 2x squared minus x squared minus 1 equal to x plus 3. So it'll be x squared plus 1 equal to x plus 3. X squared minus x minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2 and x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 2. X equal to negative 1. I can plug it back in. Well, 2 is going to give you 4 minus y squared equal to 1. So 4, actually this will be 3 equal to y squared. Y equal to plus minus 3, plus minus root 3. So it'll be 2 comma root 3 and a 2 comma negative root 3. X equal to negative 1. So it'll be 1 squared minus y squared equal to 1. So y squared equal to 0, y equal to 0. So if x equal to negative 1, that's going to give you 0. And if you want to check your answer, what does everybody understand this part? Now, if you want to check your answer, graph it. So a lot of you guys need to know how to check your answer because on Desmos, this is how you win on SAT here. This is called hyperbola. We are gonna teach it, but it's not on the AP exam. Actually, I don't know if I will teach it this year. So this point right here, 3-point is intersection. And if you want to know what's 1.732 is actually root 3. So 1.732, which is right here, 1, 2, 3. Kind of cool questions. Yes. 3B is that system of 3 variables? 3A or 3B? 3A. Does everybody understand what's going on here? Anybody still don't understand? Raise your hand. No? Good. Okay, so x plus y plus z is equal to 4. X plus 3y plus 3z is equal to 10. 2x plus y minus z equal to 3. So the best thing is to figure out which one to target. For me, I think I look at x, and I think I need to multiply by equation by negative in order to cancel out the 2x or cancel out the x. I don't like to deal with negative signs, so I'm not going to deal with x. And the only one that has a negative sign is z, which is negative z. You got positive z. You can combine those two equations, the z is going to go away. You also can multiply the third equation by 3, which is I multiply by positive. I can get rid of another z. So just imagine if I do this 2, if I add together, it's going to give you 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. Is that okay? Is that okay? I just add the first one. I'm going to call the equation 1, equation 3. So 1 plus 3 is equal to this. Now I'm going to multiply by 3 by 3. The equation 3 by 3. So we're going to say that's equation 4. So it'll be 6x plus 3y minus 3z is equal to 9. Any question here? So we're going to say that's equation 4. So I'm going to add equation 2 plus 4. So this is 2. So 2 plus 4 is going to be 7x plus 6y by -3. So it'll be -9x minus 6y. -3 is -21. Hopefully it'll work out. -2x is equal to, what is that? -8. Is that okay? I got 4. Am I wrong? Anybody got 4 or me? No? I did wrong? All you guys got 4? What? Okay, so did I make a mistake? Let me see. Possible. This one's fine. I add equation by 3.
I think that equals to 19.
19, not 13. So 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. Oh yeah, that's 19. I can't read. So this 10 and 9, right? So it's 19. Okay. And then I'll go back to plug in the first equation. So will be 1 plus 2 plus z is equal to 4. Z is equal to 1. So it's 1, 2, 1. This is system. Yeah.
Is it okay to go like substitute? Like you isolate like y, isolate y, and then plug in like plug y.
Does it work?
Yeah.
If it works, it's fine. Questions? I would like to talk about SAT questions. And this is one of the most popular SAT question that usually people don't understand. And it will involve a system. And this one is not on the pre-calc. So I will show you the question. But first of all, I will talk about system. Sometimes it's gonna happen first, one solution. This solution only require one thing, different slope. Different slope. Only time is different slope. You have one solution on SAT exam. If you see one solution, that means different slope. If you like, they what? They won't intersect. So the good thing is called parallel, right? So something like say parallel like this. So this is a parallel line. This is a parallel line. So if you have no solution, you have a set. There. You got infinite solution. Infinite solution. You got same slope. Okay, or same equation. In terms of SAT, like I said, this is not on the not on the AP breakout. This situation, infinite solution, same slope, same y-intercept, same equation. If you have those two things had to happen, or same equation from I'm give me 1 second. Okay, this is a question. Nobody? Not a single person can provide me an answer? Okay, Sophia, you want to guess?
Um,
Anybody else? Is equal to 9. They have to. Is that okay? Is that okay? Well, negative ax divided by a. So this a over b has to equal to -3. So this a over b has to equal to -3, and we have a 9 over -b has to equal to 3. So anybody, and this side is gonna become matching, so it's 9, right? Does that make sense? This has to be 6. So the answer is 6. But this is a way to kind of go through with the logic. We have to y equal to mx plus b, just compare x, right? If you generate equation, you should be able to solve. Is that okay? Do you guys understand what I did or no? If you don't have no idea what I did, raise your hand. Okay. Sydney, what's your question?
When you plus a over negative b into that equation.
You add to this. Do you understand this part? The slope had to be the same, so that oops. This slope has to be the same. So then you can solve for b in this case. B is equal to -3. And if you plug in -3 here, then a has to be 9. If you move the -3 times -3 is equal to 9. When the question says infinite solution, then that means they must have a same y-intercept and same slope. So you solve equal to m, y equal to mx plus b, you can match them, get more. So I'm gonna pull random questions here. You got what? Okay, oh, this one's actually pretty easy. So let's see if you can figure out. What?
They were getting tests. Does that small?
What?
Like grading tests. Is that small?
No, I'm gonna grade it tomorrow. We have a short day tomorrow again, so
Can you make it bigger?
sure. I want to go over this specific question. I think it's a very difficult for a lot of students, since we already talked about linear equation. Today's homework is a bunch of SAT questions. See if you can. This is got it. Only 2 student. Landon got the same answer as you.
Yeah.
Landon?
Solution.
We can do it tomorrow. Oops, I just waited. What just happened? Oops, I just waited. What just happened? I'm gonna have to redo it again. So